This is a project of an everlasting ongoing project of my pride and joy. Forever working on her, work on her as much as I ride on her. And these are just the Oxford heated grip connectors. A while ago I was having a few issues with them. I took them apart and I found out inside here water got in and absolutely corroded the hell out of them. Cleaned it all up, put it back together. They're all working now, but all that just didn't look right to me. I knew I could make it a lot neater, and also there's connectors and whatnot I can put on them now to make them look a lot better, such as this one. This is further down. This is the main power to the heated grips. I've replaced it with this nice waterproof connector here. A lot more robust, a lot more sturdy. The rain ain't gonna get to that and do to these what it did, or do to that what it did to these. But that's part of it. Just thought I'd put a quick video up and let everyone see. But these will get done as well. Just another project on this everlasting project. It's my pride and joy. I mean, any VFR owners, if you're curious, if you want to ask me about them two wires, it may save you one day. But I'll be putting up another video. This is not just any ordinary VFR, it's had its electrics done through and through. It had a massive issue. I put up a video a while back showing the issue it had, and there's some secrets Honda tell. I had to find these out. No, this is how I learned pretty much what I've learned, because, well, what's down here basically was the cause of the issue, and it's not in any Haynes manual, it's not in the Honda manual. Honda don't know about. Well, you ask Honda and they're basically very covert about it. But it took me a while and I found that out, and managed to fix her up again, and learning what I've learnt about her, and these dreaded rectifier regulator issues and charging issues in these bikes that are known for. A lot of the mysteries I've finally managed to dig to and solve. Any VFR owners, get in touch. I can save your lovely VFRs and make them last a lot longer. AMB Bikes out.